Very hello everyone. Welcome to Global Online. And here we are back with our concept series, which we have started from this week. For 2022 batch preparation, that is for September 2022 exam, we have started with the first unit, that is teaching aptitude. Today's topic for the unit is types of evaluation, wherein we are going to see the various important concepts which are a part of your examination, that is types of evaluation. And before we go ahead, let's understand what is an important announcement. So for UGC Net Paper 1, new batch is going to start from 12th of September, that is this coming Monday. What is the speciality, or what does the Global Online has to offer in these batches? So we have already the one new batch which is going, which is from 5th of September. We have this batches for paper 1, where we have daily live lectures at 10 a.m. in the morning. The schedule goes that 7 a.m. we have a video lecture uploaded. After that, at 10 a.m. we have the lecture for the sake of that is live lectures as per the units. 1 p.m. we have an update video. 6 p.m. we have current affairs, and at 9 p.m. we have the theory concept lectures, which are scheduled. Okay, this is the schedule which is going on currently. Last 10-year papers will be also available with the answer key. Test series consisting of 2,500 MCQs are available. This all is available at Global Online app, as well as on the given WhatsApp number. The fees is 3,500. Today is 8th of September, and till night 12 p.m. this fees will be applicable. From 12 a.m. onwards, there is a hike of fees. So anyone who is interested to get this course can take an opportunity or avail the opportunity at this particular price. In case if you're going on a Global Online app, you have to download the app with the help of Google Play Store. This is the interface where you can register yourself with the mobile number. You can purchase the course. Once the course is purchased, you will be having the content access, where it is divided into various folders as per the unit given in the syllabus. Every folder consists of the theory lectures, MCQ lectures, notes, mock test, as well as evaluation tests. Apart from this, okay, if you are interested to look something for paper 2, we do have paper 2 notes and MCQs available. The list of the subjects is given below. Philosophy is the new subject which we have added. You can get in touch with the given WhatsApp number. The fees is 1,500. Here also we have an hike of fees hike after 12 a.m. today. So anyone who is interested can take the opportunity of this and get yourself registered for the course. So teaching aptitude, basically the total number of questions are 5. Total number of weightage is 10 marks. So every question carries 2 marks, out of which one question will be dedicated on types of evaluation, as this is the last topic of subtopic of your teaching aptitude syllabus. So when we say types of evaluation, let's divide it into 3 categories, that is functions, approaches, and interpretation. So when we talk about functions, we have the placement and diagnostic test. So placement is basically, your students gets confused a lot. They feel that this placement test is, placing the candidate. No, this is the placing the candidate, but it's a form of pre-assessment where you conduct an assessment of students' skills, and basically with reference to what? With reference to their ability, to their understanding, and which, speciality, or which stream, or which subject they can be capable of. Then we have approaches. In the form of approaches, we have next is formative and summative. We are going to see this in detail. We also have interpretation or reference, where we have norm reference and criteria reference. So these two we are going to see in detail. Diagnostics, where you have to understand the cause, as well as where you have to understand the remedy, that is the root cause and the remedy solution. So that is done in the diagnostic evaluation. So let's first understand formative and summative evaluation. So first of all, formative evaluation is the one which helps the students to learn and practice. It means that we can say that this particular assessment goes on, throughout. It is continuous. Why this is conducted? This is conducted to identify the gaps and improve the learning. And how it is conducted? It is conducted via approaches that support specific students' need, that helps, the students with a specific need. And that's how we see formative evaluation taking place. You get questions on these evaluation types. In the recent cycles, these questions are definitely a part. On the other hand, we have summative test where we assess the student's performance. That is when it is basically at the end of the instructional period. It goes at the end of the semester, you can say, or the end of the instructional period. Why? It is to collect the evidence of the student's knowledge, skills, or proficiency, and how that is via exit learning products or a cumulative assessment. So this is how the particular evaluation test goes for summative evaluation. Okay, so when we say continuous, it comes as formative, and when we say cumulative or at the end of the semester, it is said as summative, that is which gets added up and at the end the result comes out. Now, in order to make it a little bit easier, I have added some extra points. So, formative assessment occurs during a learning activity, that is during, whereas summative is at the end. So, this is the process which is continuous, which is at the end. Formative is the aim is to monitor the students' learning, whereas summative is to aim to evaluate the students' learning. So, one is just to understand, the things are going correctly, a continuous feedback is given, and at the end which assessment we take is called a summative. Formative provides feedback with with students. Summative, it is it helps to give a special score or a result. Formative assessment may occur several times during a course of a or a unit. So it is it is has a lot of occurrence as per the course or as per the unit, whereas summative, it is at the course is at the end of that is, it occurs few times over the course of academic year, so it is basically towards the end. Formative can use a wide range of questions format, whereas summative can use only a limited question set of formats. Okay, so like for example, formative can be in the form of MCQs, whereas summative can be in the form of what? It can be in the form of subjective. Okay, now apart from this, let's go for the next type, that is reference or interpretation, where we have norm and criterion. Here also, in spite of telling the concepts very clearly, I have seen in the live lecture students gets confused. So just understand norms, that is, the rules. So here the rules are set to compare a student's performance against the performance of the peers. So the comparison is done, okay, as per a single individual students according to the performance of the peer group, whereas in criterion there is the comparison is against the set determined or the preset determined standards or a score or a skills criteria. You can use the word as criteria. So in the criterion reference test, the performance of a student, that is, sorry, in criterion reference test, the performance of other students does not affect the student scores. It is a set standard through which they have been compared, or a skills you can say, or a knowledge you can say. Then we have a continuous and comprehensive evaluation. So when we combine your formative and summative, we get something called as continuous and comprehensive evaluation, which has a two objective, that is continuity in evaluation and assessment of broad learning objectives with respect to the outcomes. So it enhances the learning through diagnosis and remedies. A formal scheme of continuous and comprehensive evaluation comes where we use both formative as well as summative, sorry, in order to evaluate the continuity and the comprehensiveness. So comprehensiveness, it means it was with basically the inclusion of all. Next, we have is computer assisted evaluation, and we have computer based evaluation. So when we say assisted, it implies online tests which are uploaded, wherein the students can attempt via a link or any designated centers which are conducting the test. Like for example, mock test, or you can say the test conducted by NTA. Whereas in computer based evaluation, it implies the evaluation is done basically with the help of special evaluation, that is like for example optical mark reader, that is OMR sheets through which the evaluation is done. So evaluation with the help of computer or based on the computers, and evaluation with the help of what? With the help of computer assistance. So this is what, again, there is a confusion. So I've taken this both topics. Okay. So today we have seen a detailed understanding of types of evaluation, where we saw placement and diagnostic, formative, summative. Then we saw norm reference and criterion reference. And at the end, we saw the computer assisted and computer based evaluation. Thank you, everyone. So see you tomorrow in the next in the class with a new topic. Thank you.